In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use coupons on Temu. Now, using coupons on Temu is actually a very quick and simple process, and the first thing you need to do is open up the Temu app. From here, we can look at the bottom of the screen and look for this U tab, which will take us to this page. And as you can see, one of these options is coupons and offers. So in order to use our coupons on Temu, we're going to first click on this. From here, we get taken to this page, and we have the option to either add a new coupon code or use an existing coupon. Now, as you can see, they're currently giving me a coupon where if you spend over 1 cent on items, they'll actually donate a tree for you. So in order to use this coupon, for example, we could simply click shop and we can start shopping for items. Now, if we had our own coupon code, which we are trying to add into Temu, we can go to the top and click enter coupon code. And then if we've got a coupon code copied to our clipboard, we can simply choose to paste that and we can click apply to apply our coupon code. Now, if you did enter a valid coupon code, you'll then see a thing pop up on your screen telling you about the coupon which you just entered, and you'll then have the option to use that coupon. Now, you can also see your used coupons at the top, and you can also see your expired coupons, which will show you any coupons that expired within the last 3 months. However, if you're on this unused tab and you can't see your available coupons, you want to scroll down and look for this section which is titled Can't Find Your Coupons, and you'll be able to either sign in with another account or you can use self-service to find your coupons. So that's how you can use coupons on Temu. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.